Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find, guys, where the oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch fuses and relays are located, we'll explain that in this video today. For any of you that want to see how to test oil pressure sensor, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. By the way, if you need to buy oil pressure sensor or parts and tools, we'll share the information in the video. That way you do not waste money and time and you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff, guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Oil pressure sensor, switch, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Chrysler 300 right here. By the way, guys, we'll be working in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to go ahead and open the hood. When you open your hood, doesn't matter if you have a V6 or V8, you have a fuse box next to the engine. When you face the car, it's on the left side. So here, you press these two tabs together, pull the cover out, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, you pull the fuse. I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here now, guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked and relayed due to the fact that there is very limited information about that, so you need to check all engine management fuses and relays. By the way, if you want to see how to test oil pressure sensor, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels, check it out. We need to come in that row of fuses here. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot, and that's fuse 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 is the first fuse you need to check. Then you need to check 34, 35, 37. You need to check also relay 63, which is known as ASD relay. Next, you need to, guys, go to the trunk, open the trunk, and this is the carpet liner on the bottom, lift it on the back side. Underneath you have the spare tire, the car battery, and boom, here you have another fuse box, guys. That's a closer look of it. Here you have a few tabs that you squish together, pull that cover out, and you have that layout here. We need to check now relay 29, very important relay, and some models may come with an extra relay 14 here. Check it as well, guys. Those are the main fuses relays you need to check for the oil pressure sensor switch. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays. That's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.